Alright, congratulations! Nakuha mo na yung dream motorcycle mo. And of course, dahil nandyan na siya, marami tayong katanungan. And today, sasagutin natin ang mga katanungan na na-collect natin sa Facebook. So, let's go! Okay, kung may naririnig kayong ticking sound kapag kapatay ng makina. Well, actually, it's just normal kasi it's just the metal sa exhaust that is contracting back to its original shape. So, a little bit of chemistry. Physics. Basta yun. Napansin ko sa mga bagong unit, kapag galing ka sa long ride, and then pinatay mo na yung makina mo, it's gonna produce some ticking sounds. So yung ticking sound na yun is just normal. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, so there are some factors kapag nilower mo yung motor. And I'd like to point out as early as possible is itong side stand mo will not be as effective as it is stock. So dahil bababa, ito parang matutukod niya, mas sentro na. Hindi na secure yung bike mo kapag naka side stand or kickstand. Next step is yung ground clearance mo apektado na dahil ayun, itong Vespa na to is actually kind of low. Lalo na sa Pilipinas, maraming pothole. You don't want your lower body to get hit by any object that can damage it. Especially ito, ganda pa naman yung lalim na to. And lastly is yung leaning clearance mo. Dahil mas mababa na yung motor mo, hindi na as tight yung pag-lean mo. So, you need to take note of those kapag pinalower mo yung bike mo in case kailangan talagang pababaan palalo. And kung ako yung tatanungin ano yung mas magandang options para abutin yung lupa, it's bawasan itong upuan, yung foaming niya, or magsuot ka ng shoes na may makapal na swelas. Alright, so naka-center stand ng ating motor at biyoksan ko yung makina, and as you can notice, umiikot ng kusa yung gulong. So is this normal? Well, yes. That is normal. So, ang best explanation ko to make it or sa comparison is merong dalawang electric fan, isa lang may power and magkatapat sila. So, ang mangyayari doon is kahit isa lang yung may power, umiikot din yung katapat niya. So, I guess that's the best comparison or something similar that is happening here. I'd like to point out this is the standard or yung normal na pag-rotate. If it's faster than this, you need to check with your mechanic. I'd like you to take notice of something. May napapansin kayo? Nakabukas yung ilaw. Ayan, turn signals. So, may napapansin ba kayo? Well, this is something that you should avoid. Hinahaya mo nakabukas yung electronics nang hindi nakabukas yung makina. Okay, so why do you have to do this? Well, merong components doon sa makina that produces electricity. At kapag nakapatay yung makina mo, hindi nagsisirculate yung electricity, in which may cause your battery to drain. So, ano mangyayari kapag na-drain ang iyong battery? Well, for starters, pun intended, hindi mo may start yung motor mo kasi nga low-bat. It requires specific voltage, and that's going to be a problem kasi ang Vespa units walang kickstarter. Going here, as you can see, merong parang hose na nakalawit. It's actually a drain hose. Please do not cut it off. Ayan, pag may excess gas, dyan tutulo yan. So, please don't touch it. And of course, it is normal. Okay, next question is, gaano ba kagastos mag-maintain ng isang Vespa? Well, ito nakaano pa to eh. Kasa-maintain pa. So, sinusundan ko lang yung coupon. So, sa one coupon, inclusion nun is yung oil, yung transmission oil, labor, and all of the stuff that is written there. And umabot siya ng 1.6. Ngayon, pagpapagawa mo na sa labas, of course, it's going to be cheaper. Dahil sa kasa pa to, meron silang sinasaksak na computer, but I'm no expert on that side. Pero yeah, meron silang laptop thingy. But then again, ang gastos ko lang per maintenance is 1.6. And meron siyang intervals that is indicated alongside your user manual. So check it out. Okay, onting plug regarding sa service ng yung Vespa unit. If you're from Makati, please do check out Arc Motors kasi they provide and specialize with Vespa units. Okay, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Motobox/Alibay. So anyway, for our next question, it is, which is better, PPF or ceramic coat? Well, it's going to depend on your preference. And by preference, it depends on how you want to protect your bike. So let's first start off with PPF. So it's going to be like an additional film or additional layer for your paint. So yun yung magiging pinaka-top na over your top coat or your clear coat. So what it does is protects it from mga bato na pwedeng tumama sa mga elements, masipa mo, ganun. Ang unang sasalo nun is yung paint protection film or yung PPF. And next up naman is yung ceramic coat. It provides a different kind of protection. Example is yung UV rays. What ceramic coating does is, bukod sa nagpo-provide siya ng deeper gloss or deeper matte, it's going to prevent the UV lights from penetrating the paint. And what I mean by that is, hindi siya maninilaw compared sa unprotected or walang ceramic coat. So whatever your preference is, just mind if you want better protection, go for paint protection film. Or if you want a better looking bike, go for ceramic coat. But there are some cases na pwede mo i-apply pareho. But of course, it's going to be costly or expensive. So, yeah, up to you. Okay, so dito po nagtatapos ang ating episode. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. And if marami tayong na-collect ng questions, we'll make another video. Shout out to Vespa Marikina kasi after a year, they provided the plate na. So, yeah, shout out to Vespa Marikina. Anyway, this is Neo of New Blitz Moto. As always, ride safe and see you on the roads. Thank you for watching.